Hi, so today we'll see the ABC test for any business in California. This is required. You should classify W-2 and 1099 employee correctly. Okay, so this one will see, and its penalties W-2 and 1099 individual contractor. Okay, so both will see, and its penalties for misclassification form SS-8. If you are still unclear, then you can file this form. Then minimum wages, EDD, okay, as well as this minimum wage and overtime. We'll see some workers' compensation and important forms where you can find as an employer or the business owner, and single dashboard, how you can manage everything smoothly. Okay, so what the business owner does, an expensive mistake actually they make before hiring their first worker. Okay, the mistake is actually misclassification. Okay, W-2 employee is actually regular employee. Okay, and 1099 independent contractor, where you don't have hold, okay, or authority over that particular contractor. Okay, so I hope you understood. I can give you an example. A person as an employee or worker or contractor, a single person can hold two jobs simultaneously. Okay, and it is legal actually. Okay, so you can see, for example, Joe. This is, I'm saying this from IRS portal. Okay, so Joe is a custodian for a school, government school, public school. So in this case, the school should hire him as regular employee under W-2. Okay, and also during night. Okay, you try to understand, during night he provides snow plowing services. Okay, so for that purpose he should submit 1099, he should file, okay, 1099 and pay the taxes from his own pocket. Okay, as individual independent contractor. So during daytime he can work as custodian in public school, and night he can work any contractor business. Okay, he can perform. So I hope you understood. Now if you are still not clear, for there are multiple roles, multiple requirements you might have. Okay, I can give you particular example for a remote worker. Okay, so as you can see, in this common rules, okay, they have mentioned remote worker type. So a remote worker can be your regular employee as well as independent worker. Okay, for example, you want him or her to perform a specific task for some specific particular time, for example 1 month, 3 months. Okay, so then you can hire as independent contractor 1099. Okay, as a consultant or marketing expert, whatever. Okay, but it is no matter, even if he or she working remotely, okay, not in your office or location, still he or she can be a regular employee. Okay, so they say it, if you fill this, okay, I can show you this form. Government will just fill this form, okay, with your farm name, trade name, websites, tax, and then details of the employee, what kind of employee you want to hire. Okay, so it has different sections. You can see I'm scrolling this form. Behavior, then your requirements, you have financial control. Okay, so once you will fill this, then relationship, worker and firm, okay, and you at the end you sign it. Okay, so service providers or sales person. Okay, and sign. So once you will submit this, IRS will take time, at least 6 months. Okay, you can see here they have mentioned. So but you will submit this, they will tell you actually what kind of classification it will be. Now because I'm telling you all this in details, I want to show you the penalties. Okay, there is a concept called ABC test. Okay, so bill 5, that is AB5 in California assembly for any business I'm showing. Okay, it is not limited to construction. Okay, even for food, then any kind of health, any education employee, so any kind of employee, even truck drivers, so it is applicable for all businesses in California. Okay, so this recently in assembly bill 5 AB5, already it has come into effect on January 1st 2020. So here they have implemented this ABC test requirement. Okay, so A is autonomy. Okay, B is actually business core, and C customary trade. So basically, it must satisfy all three criteria of ABC test to classify a worker as independent contractor. So autonomy, permanent employee you hire. Okay. Now I want to tell you this one, consequences. Okay, for misclassification. Fines will be there, then back pay and legal actions. Okay, one by one I want to tell you. So for single violation, okay, so under 2 to 6.8 labor code. Okay, so for willful misclassification, for any single violation, okay, so you try to understand, there will be 5k as fine, plus there will be unpaid overtime and minimum wage you need to pay, then missed breaks. Okay, expense reimbursement, also unpaid contributions, audit, there will be audit, and under PAGAP, that Private Attorneys General Act, there will be legal fees, and EDD audit will be there. Okay, so I hope you understood the consequences. So don't make any costly mistakes, okay, for just for misclassification. Minimum wage. So since January 2026, the minimum wage, okay, increased to 16.90 USD. The rate revised. This is the minimum wage in California for any employee. Okay, so you need to pay. So for healthcare and food restaurant workers, even the minimum wage is higher. So for food and restaurant worker, minimum 20 USD per hour you need to pay, and health worker, in description for you so that you can check it out. Okay, so next there will be a new hire reporting. So for each new hire you fill this online DE34. Okay, DE34 PDF form you file and submit online. This is mandatory, okay, for each new hiring. Overtime, I told you, if it is 40 hours in a week, it is normal. If it is more than 8 hours, you need to pay 1.5x, and if it is more than 12 hours, you need to pay double. Okay, double wage. So for this, so you file this form for each new hiring, and you can mail to this address. Okay, or what you can do, you can fax also. They have fax number 916-319-4400. Okay, you can fax. Next, so you can read about the meal breaks and rest breaks, DIR registration, apprenticeship mandates, then heat illness prevention, emergency unsafe condition, independent contractor versus employees. I already told you. Now the compensation part. Okay, there will be injured workers compensation, and regularly they update this portal. You can see July 23 2026 updated as DWC increases mileage reimbursement rate. Okay, so you should keep an eye on this portal. And injured worker, for injured worker, they can report their injury or illness to you as employer. Okay, so within 30 days. Okay, if you don't report your injury within 30 days, you could lose the right. Okay, so within 30 days they should report, okay, the injury. Or an employer, what you can do, you should know the forms, okay, important forms under DIR. Okay, so you can see you have audit forms, complaint forms, okay, then employer forms, disability evaluation forms. So one by one you can download this. Again, the link is dir.ca.gov dwc forms.html. okay, so this one I will enter that URL in the description, so you can check it out. Okay, so now I want to show you one single dashboard from where you can manage everything. Okay, so just for example, you have these people, directive org chart, time off tracker, documents. Okay, you can manage all this under people. Okay, document security, immigration. Then under recruitment you have ATS, talents, background checks, and these tools. Okay, next you have payroll. Okay, so under payroll you have global payroll and tax documents. Then finance. Okay, so payment dashboard, balances, history, billing. So as an employer you can see, you can manage everything. Then engagement tab will be there to engage with your staffs or the workers, and then you have this planning, compensation and workforce planning. IT, you can manage assets, orders, shipments, agreement, software management services under IT. You can do all this. Okay, and robust analytics tool. Okay, you can view the dashboards, reports, salary insights. Okay, then app integration and knowledge hubs. Okay, they have academy and knowledge hub. So one important thing, we are conducting live webinar, okay, within 3 to 4 days. So you should register it. Very important webinar, hiring employees and contractors in California. The complete compliance workshop for any business in California. This webinar is very important and relative. So we'll discuss hiring mistakes that cost businesses thousands, common pitfalls, compliance errors and how to avoid them. Then California hiring checklist, payroll basics. Okay, then contracts that protect your business, managing everything without a large, how you can manage without a large HR team, and live Q&A session. Okay, just for 30 minutes session. The registration link will be there in the description. To register for the webinar, you will get this hiring calendar, very helpful for which month what kind of task you should perform, January to December. Okay, full calendar we will give, and we'll also give once you will attend the session on webinar, we'll give you for 2027-28 calendar. Okay, so till then please be with us and our channel, and wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye.